Before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified when published new video. How to cleanse your coronary arteries with only 3 ingredients. A diet high in junk food and sugar can be destructive to your cardiovascular health. You may have heard about how cholesterol can accumulate in your arteries and put unnecessary strain on your heart. Most people rely on blood thinners and other medications to combat the effects of high cholesterol, but the condition can easily be managed by food alone. What is cholesterol? High cholesterol levels can lead to a buildup of plaque in the artery walls, narrowing the arteries, and causing a condition called atherosclerosis. This impairs blood flow throughout the body and increases risk of heart disease and stroke. There exist 2 main types of cholesterol: low-density lipoprotein (LDL). Bad cholesterol transports cholesterol particles throughout your body and builds up in the walls of your arteries, making them hard and narrow. High-density lipoprotein (HDL). Good cholesterol picks up excess cholesterol and takes it back to your liver to be cleared away through bile. High levels of LDL cholesterol is typically caused by smoking, poor diet, inactivity, diabetes, and is linked to obesity. To put it simply, high cholesterol, in most cases, is simply a reflection of an unhealthy lifestyle. Cholesterol busting recipe. This recipe provides your body with nutrients that can help break down bad cholesterol and clear your arteries as you transition into a healthier lifestyle. Ingredients: 4 liters or 1 gallon of clean water, 8 organic lemons, 8 cloves of organic garlic, 4 to 5 centimeters, 1.9 inches of organic ginger. Instructions: 1. Scrub lemons properly to clean the rind, but do not peel. Slice lemon and peel the ginger and garlic. 3. Crush the garlic and let it sit for 15 minutes. This will activate the allicin. 4. Place everything but the water in a blender and pulse until smooth. 5. In a medium saucepan, add water and the paste and warm over medium heat. 6. Just as it begins to boil, remove the mixture from heat. 7. Let it cool and strain the liquid. 8. Pour the drink in glass jars or bottles with lids and store in the refrigerator. How to use: drink daily on an empty stomach 2 hours before meals. Combine with exercise 3 times a week. How it works: ginger. Dried ginger powder administered at 0.1 grams of body weight limits the risk of atheroma, degeneration of the walls of the arteries caused by accumulated fatty deposits and scar tissue, by up to 50% in just 75 days. It also prevents heart disease by inhibiting the accumulation of platelets in the arteries and inhibiting cholesterol biosynthesis. Additionally, it doesn't have the negative side effects of other medications such as aspirin. Garlic. Garlic is traditionally used to help prevent heart disease, including atherosclerosis or hardening of the arteries, which are risk factors for heart disease and stroke. It also treats high cholesterol, high blood pressure, and boosts the immune system. One study that lasted 4 years found that people who took 900 milligrams daily of standardized garlic powder slowed the development of atherosclerosis. It also contains antioxidants which fight free radicals to prevent heart disease, cancer, and Alzheimer disease. Lemons. Daily lemon intake and walking showed significant effects on lowering blood pressure while also increasing red blood cell count. Lemon also helps detox the liver to help it clear excess cholesterol. Are you visiting our channel for the first time? Then click subscribe and click the bell icon to watch more videos.